Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to log into Spotify on PC. Firstly, you need to open any browser according to your preference. Search bar, click over there and type spotify.com. This will take you to official page of Spotify. Now, in order to log into account, you can click on login button, which is at the top right corner. Here you got an option to continue with the Google or continue with Facebook or continue with Apple. Now scroll down, you will be required to enter your email or username and password. If you don't remember your password, then click on forget your password to create your new password. And finally click on the login button. You will be logged into your Spotify account in just a few seconds. And this is how we log into Spotify on PC. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.